What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we'll be reviewing the Elite Gourmet Single Electric Burner. This burner was priced around 17 bucks on Amazon at the time of making this video. This compact burner is perfect for RVs, apartments, dorms, offices, and small kitchens. It features an adjustable temperature control knob with off, warm, low, medium, and high settings, and works with all types of cookware just like a regular burner, making it possible to cook an array of delicious meals. Its flat heating plate is made of heavy-duty cast iron. It's super easy to clean and comes with 1,000 watts of power. It also features a cool touch base and non-skid rubber feet for stable cooking. This burner is available in black or white models, and you can even upgrade it to a double burner if you'd like. I'll leave links to all of them in the description below for those of you who want to learn more about all of the specs and reviews, or buy now. Let's go ahead and open one up and see what comes inside. Alright, so this is the box we got from Amazon. So as you can see, it is the Elite Gourmet Electric Single Burner. Let's just check out the box really quick. It says here that it's got adjustable temperature controls, easy to clean cast iron plates, and powerful 1,000 watts. Right down here you can see it does come with a limited 1-year warranty. We'll check out this side. So this side just shows some of the different meals you can actually make with this product, so all kinds of different things. And then the back, it just goes over a few of the key points. So it is compact and portable size, so it's good for small kitchens. It's great for college dorms. It's also great for travel and on-the-go recreational vehicles, and it saves energy and space for small business and kitchen areas. So then down here it just shows a diagram. So there is a 6-inch cast element for even heat distribution. The heating indicator light is right here. It also has non-skid feet, which is important when you're cooking. You don't want, water and things, or hot water and things splashing around. And then it features this adjustable temperature control knob with off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then max settings. Alright, let's open it up and see what's all inside here. So basically, you can see how it's packaged. It's packaged pretty well, so let's open it up. Okay, so it does just slide right out of the box just like that. It's pretty easy to open. Get all this stuff out of the way. Get that out of here. Alright, so, and then inside, just got a little plastic on it. It's wrapped up pretty well. You can see it does come with the manual here. I would recommend to go through this manual in its entirety, so that way you completely understand, how to use this product safely. It does feature heating elements, so you definitely want to make sure that you're using it safe before you ever plug it in. So definitely review this manual completely. And then here's the actual product itself. So my first impression is it's much more heavy duty than I was expecting for the price. I mean, 17 bucks, it's way heavier than I was thinking it was going to be. So it definitely feels, sturdy and stable where it's at here. And as you can see, the product itself, it's about 10.65 inches in length. It's about 9.15 inches in width, and then it's only about 3.65 inches tall here, so it can fit in pretty much any kitchen. The cable, it's about a little bit over, or right around 2 feet long, so you can plug it in wherever you need. Also, you can plug it into an extension cord, if say you're out camping and things like that, you need it to reach a bit further, plug it into your generator and things like that. So we'll go ahead and get this one set up. I want to test and see if it can actually boil water. The main reason I bought this product was to see if I could boil eggs, so that's what we're going to go ahead and test out today. I'll get this plugged up, we'll put the pot on there and see if it can actually boil water, so let's give that a try. Alright, so we've got it plugged in now. Let's go ahead and turn it on. We'll turn it all the way up to max to boil water with, and I do have my pot ready here with some eggs, so we'll go ahead and get that put on here just like that. Alright, so now what I'll do is I'll set a timer down here in the corner, and we'll see exactly how long it takes for this device to go ahead and boil the water for these eggs. Alright, so as you can see, it definitely gets hot enough to boil water. So yeah, you can pretty much cook anything with it if it gets that hot. It works just like a regular burner. You can even add a lid if you want it to, come to a stronger boil even faster. I'm going to get it turned off now and let these eggs set for about 15 minutes, then get them peeled up and test it out. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button. We do have a lot more gadget reviews and giveaways coming up, so be sure to to stay tuned, and until next time, my friends, take it easy.